Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to show you a couple of examples from my own portfolio and that of my students of messages that were crafted in exactly 30 seconds. So the first one I'm going to show you, hang on, is exactly 30 seconds. And I apologize to start on a somewhat of a negative note because it's a political ad that was created for the 2004 election. And it was for an organization in the US called MoveOn.org. And it was exactly 30 seconds, and it was for an online contest. And this animation that I made did extremely well. It actually, out of, let me see, I think they got thousands of entries, and because of online voters, Yellow Ribbons was voted number 34 overall. The budget was $25. And basically, it was an ad against George W. Bush. So apologies if you like George W. Bush. Okay, so I'm going to play this for you, and just excuse this bit at the beginning. This was in an exhibition, so it needed a little bit of context. But the ad itself is actually 30 seconds from beginning to end. So this just tells you a little bit more about it. And let's see, here we go.
Now that we're in Iraq, we're asking those who sent us. Weapons of mass destruction? Saddam Hussein linked to Al-Qaeda? And the September 11th attacks? The truth is, George W. Bush and his team of public relations marketers played on our fears in order to sell us this war. And they're still looking for more ways to make us buy. Can we really afford more lies? We're already paying the price.
Okay, so that is exactly 30 seconds, and you can actually still see that online on moveon.org, but it's quite an old contest now. Let me see if I can just go and have a look at my students' work. So let's see. Okay, so this is one created by students. For the World Food Program, there was a competition to raise awareness about world hunger and ending hunger and support for the UN's World Food Program. So this is, again, 30 seconds and just a very simple message created by my students. Right? Short, powerful, to the point. This was actually an international competition as well. And there we go. Let me show you the one that actually came in second out of thousands of entries. Okay, so this one is called Just Because We Can't See It. It was created by 4 students in a group. This was from my Intro to the TV Commercial course. And this was a student entry to the Hunger Bites TV commercial video competition sponsored by the UN's World Food Program, and they actually came in second. And this was the winners were determined by online votes. You can see they got over 100,000 views on YouTube, which is nothing to shake a stick at. That's actually not so easy to do, to get that many views on YouTube. So this is a 30-second message promoting the World Food Program by my wonderful students.
Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not there.
Anyway, those were just 3 very quick samples. I'm going to turn this over to my fabulous co-instructor so that she can show you some 30-second gems from her end. See you in the next lesson.